How to preserve cilantro for up to a year. Simple tips to prevent spoilage. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. It may sound unbelievable, but with just a few simple home remedies, you can keep your cilantro fresh, green, and free from wilting or sogginess for weeks, or even longer. No fancy equipment or chemicals needed, but the results are remarkable. If you've ever been annoyed by cilantro wilting, turning yellow, and smelling bad after only a few days, then this video is for you. I'll share the detailed step-by-step method I use myself. Just follow it, and you'll never have to throw away cilantro again. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Preservation in a bowl of water. Many people ask me if it's a good idea to preserve cilantro by soaking the roots in a bowl of water. The answer is yes, and this is one of the simplest, easiest, and least time-consuming methods, especially suitable if you use cilantro regularly throughout the week. However, if done incorrectly, the cilantro can easily rot at the roots, become slimy, and develop an unpleasant odor. First, when I buy cilantro, it often has a lot of dirt and sand clinging to the roots. With this method, I only wash the roots. Before washing, if the roots are too long, you can trim them to make them neater, but do not cut them too close to the base. Wash the vegetable stems under clean running water. Pour water into the basin until it is only 2 to 3 centimeters deep. Only allow the roots and base to touch the water. Absolutely. Do not let the stem be submerged. Do not let the leaves touch the water. Support the vegetable against the edge of the pot. Do not tie it tightly. Store in a cool place away from direct sunlight, suitable for use within 2 to 3 days. To store in the refrigerator, place it in the crisper compartment. Do not seal tightly so the vegetables can breathe. They can stay fresh for 5 to 7 days. Change the water daily or every other day. In my experience, soaking coriander roots in water is very convenient and easy to do, especially for families who cook daily. The coriander retains its green color and natural aroma and is quick to use without much further preparation. Soaking the roots in water is a quick and convenient method, but if you want the vegetables to last longer and avoid waste, you need to choose the next appropriate method. Method 2. Preservation using plastic wrap. Prepare a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of salt. Add clean water to the bowl. Where are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment. Stir until the salt is completely dissolved. Then soak the cilantro in the solution for about 10 minutes. Baking soda has cleaning and disinfecting properties. Salt also has mild antibacterial properties. The combination is very effective. After soaking, change the water 1 to 2 times and rinse the herbs thoroughly. Cilantro is quite delicate and easily bruised, so wash it gently. After washing, let it drain in a colander for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you're in a hurry, you can gently pat the leaves dry with a clean towel. Avoid letting the leaves get too wet, as excess moisture will cause them to spoil quickly. The drier the vegetables, the longer they will last. Next, take some plastic wrap, place the cilantro in the middle, wrap it tightly, and squeeze out the excess air. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Pack the coriander tightly to prevent it from wilting, then refrigerate. This way, coriander can stay fresh for up to 2 months. When needed, simply open and use it. Very convenient. It's that simple, isn't it? Method 3. This method is very convenient for those who cook frequently. First, use a knife to cut the vegetables into small pieces, depending on your cooking habits. The smaller you cut them, the easier they will be to use later. Prepare 3 zip bags. Add the chopped vegetables and spread them evenly in a thin layer. Place the bag of vegetables in a bowl of water to squeeze out all the air. Then seal the bag. Removing the air helps vegetables retain their color and prevents them from freezing into clumps. Place the bag of vegetables in the freezer compartment of your refrigerator. Lay the vegetables flat to prevent clumping, making them easier to break into smaller pieces later. Do not thaw when needed. Simply add the required amount to the pot while cooking, such as in soups, porridges, or stir-fries. This method keeps vegetables fresh for 2 to 3 months in the freezer, saves time on preparation each time you cook. Method 4. Use a sharp knife to cut the cilantro into short pieces 1 to 1.5 centimeters long. You can mix the leaves and stems together or separate them for use in different dishes. Prepare a glass jar. Gently place the chopped cilantro into the jar, without packing it tightly, allowing the cilantro to breathe. Close the lid tightly. Place the jar in the refrigerator, avoiding overly cold areas or the refrigerator door. I really like this tip because glass jars retain the moisture and natural aroma of cilantro extremely well and don't absorb odors like plastic bags. The cilantro stays fresh longer and looks fresh and lovely every time you open the refrigerator. If stored properly, cilantro in a glass jar can be used perfectly for 10 to 12 days. Method 5. Keeping cilantro alive. When you get home from the market, carefully inspect the cilantro bunch and remove any yellow or damaged leaves. Don't skip this step. It's very important. If you leave damaged leaves, they will rot and ruin the good ones. Next, cut off the roots, but don't throw them away. The roots are very useful. Take an empty water bottle and cut about 1/3 of it from the bottom up. This will give you the top and bottom sections of the bottle. Thread the bunch of cilantro through the neck of the top section with the roots facing outwards. Then place this part into the cut bottom of the bottle. Add a little water, just enough so the roots lightly touch the water. Place the bottle near a window or in a well-lit area so the cilantro can breathe and grow. Change the water every 2 to 3 days to keep it clean. Cilantro can grow without fertilizer and is virtually pest-free. After a short time, you will see new leaves sprouting. When needed, simply cut a few sprigs. It will continue to grow back. This way, you will have fresh cilantro year-round without having to buy more. If you buy cilantro and want to use it for a long time without cutting the roots, try the following method. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Which method do you like best? Try one of these tips today, and if you have a better way to preserve tomatoes, don't forget to share it with me. And remember to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. Your support is what motivates me to continue sharing more great kitchen tips. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.